নমস্কাৰ আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত মই তোমালোকৰ মাজত AEC আৰু JEC এৰ 2021 বৰ্ষৰ 2022 আৰু 2023 বৰ্ষৰ প্লেচমেন্টৰ ওপৰত কম্পেৰিজন আনিছো তো দেৰি নকৰাকৈ এই ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰো প্ৰথমতে AEC এৰ কম AEC 2021 বৰ্ষৰ approximately 60% students place হৈছে companies বোৰ IOCL NIL Infosys TCS আৰু Wipro Average package bur 5 to 6 LPA aru highest package approximately 18 LPA 2022 borkhor overall placement rate 60% CSC pray 80% placed mechanical about 60% placed electrical around 20 to 25% placed aru civil 10 to 12% placed companies bur 2021 borkhot aha gutei bur aru notun koi Vedantu aru Ashok Leyland ahise okay average package 6 to 7 LPA highest package 27 LPA ene generally highest package bur top brands boardore jai 2023 borkhor overall placement rate 60% top recruiters bor agor bilake tar logot notun koi Siemens aru ONGC ahise average package around 7 LPA highest package 24 LPA eibar JEC loi goisu 2021 borkhor CSC companies bor Infosys Cognizant aru SARSB aru average package CSC 3 to 5 LPA mechanical engineering companies bor Vedanta aru ITC Infotech aru electrical engineering recruiters bor OIL mane oil aru Vedanta ahise 2022 borkhor CSC companies bor TCS Cognizant aru Wipro average package bor 4 to 6 LPA mechanical engineering core company se hire korise jene Vedanta aru ITC Infotech civil engineering companies bor NRL Dalmia Cement aru Star Cement 2023 borkhor CSC branch companies bor agute aha bilekei notun koi IQVIA ahise highest package 20 LPA on campus aru up to 50 LPA off campus mechanical engineering Quantify Mindtree aru Hexagon ahise instrumentation engineering core sector companies bore year graduation uporot interest dikhai uporot dia falafal bor parasporik bhabe bhinno hobo pare ei tothyo samuhor vittit eta gor falafal prodan kora hoise aru tumaloka jodi more documents required for CWE counseling video to swa nai tena hole sai loba moi thumbnail to screen ot dekhwai thoi disu aru baki moi heitu video log pam dhonnobad।